Hello everyone. This is the syllabus for Mrs. Balon'S science and math class. I've combined them because most of the rules and expectations are the same. When we will be going through what books and what will be taught for the classes, of course, then it will be different. So just tune out if you're not in my math class or science class about what we're doing, but everything else will be the same for both courses. So this is for Mrs. Balon. I am in room 123. Textbooks that we use. In science, we use Pearson Interactive Science. You will be receiving 5 paperback books throughout the year. Science and Technology, Sound and Light, Ecology and the Environment, Astronomy and Space, and Forces and Energy. So we will be passing out books periodically throughout the year. For math, we are using Big Ideas, which will be online. Those books are very big and heavy. We just don't want you to have to carry those around all day long with you. So assignments will also be online for both classes, and you will need to show your work on paper, especially for math. Course policies, grading scale, 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 89 a B, 70 to 79 a C, 60 to 69 a D. Anything below a 60 it will be an F. I just want to state this, if you do all your homework in here and you participate and you hand things in, you will not fail this class, okay? You cannot fail if you hand things in. If you choose not to do assignments, that is where grades tend to falter. So please, just do the assignments that we ask, okay? We won't have too much homework in anything because you will have time to do it in class. Participation. Students are expected to participate in class. That means taking notes, following directions, asking questions, completing required activities and labs, homework for math, being respectful to yourself, to others, to the teachers, and working with partners. We won't be able to do it initially, but hopefully later on throughout the year we'll be able to. And anything that we put onto Canvas. Homework we'll be giving on a daily basis in math. You will need to keep up and set aside time for math. We grade the homework daily, so it is very important that you do it. Absences. If you are absent because of sickness or anything else, it is your responsibility to get your work. It is all on Canvas, but come talk to me. We can go over what you missed, what you need to know, okay? And then you get 1 day for every day that you were sick to make up the work. If you have any questions, again, please email me, please contact me. I am here to help you. Here is the Google Daily Meet schedule for remote and our hybrid that will be at home during certain days of the week. So when you are not in the school building, my math help will be from 1:20 to 1:50. I will make a Google Meet for that. And for science will be from 1:50 to 2:20. If you need extra help, we will have some office hours from 8 to 8:40 and from 3:05 to 3:30. And we can set those up as needed. Remember, I am here to help you. Class rules and consequences. Remember, listen when others are talking. Raise your hand if you would like to say something. Follow directions. Don't know how many times. Read directions. Okay? 3, keep hands, feet, and other objects to yourself. Respect the school, respect yourself, and respect school property and personal property. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Participate individually and in group activities. I want everybody's participation. No cheating. Don't know how many times we can say that. When you cheat, you are only hurting yourself. Okay? And finally, wear masks and follow social distancing guidelines. Remember, 6 feet apart, masks on at all time. Consequences. First will be a verbal warning. Okay? If it continues, I will need to make a phone call home to your guardians. Okay? If it still continues, that's when we're going to refer you to the office after a third offense. If it is an extreme case, if there's a situation that needs to be addressed immediately, a referral to the office will occur. We don't want that to happen. On this slide, I will be talking quickly about textbooks and lessons. So I'm going to start with science first and then do math. Okay, so just very quickly, in science, we're going to start off with science and technology first. We're going to learn how to do experiments. We're going to learn the scientific method. Then we're going to go to ecology and the environment. We're going to learn about our ecosystem. Then we're going to be doing astronomy and space. Okay, we're going to learn about the planets, about the seasons, about tides, all of it. So much fun. Then we're going to be doing force and energy, where we're going to be setting up a lot more experiments during that time also. And finally, light and sound, which have some really good ones for that one. Okay, in math, we use the Big Ideas math book. In quarter 1, we will be doing some review, properties and exponents, orders of operations, least common multiple, greatest common factor, whole number, fractions, and decimals. Quarter 2 will be integers and expressions and equations, and then inequalities and ratios and rates. Quarter 3, we will be doing area of polygons, surface area, and surface area volumes. Quarter 4, we will be doing data analysis, data displays, and probability. Just an overview of what we will be covering in math. And finally, where to find the homework, where to submit the homework. We will be in Canvas. We will have a module for every week with a attendance, a lesson, and an assignment for each day. Okay? You need to make sure to complete all items in each module each day. You need to complete daily the attendance, the lesson, the assignments. You'll need to watch all slide presentations. These are like what we will be doing in class discussions, and it will be for directions for what we want you to work on. Make sure all items are submitted on the due date. It will either be the next day at 8:50 in the morning or the next day at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Make sure to look for your emails. You need to check your email daily. These emails could be in Canvas or your Gmail account. Okay, that's how our communication is going to be. Also, look to see if we have a meeting. Okay, That is everything that you will need to do for the day when you are here at school and working at home.